That is, object forms of the personal pronouns must be used after prepositions. According to this rule, out of the above-mentioned sentences, in 7, A, B, C, and D, some of the following sentences are grammatically correct, whereas some of them are incorrect. 7. Incorrect. A. There's a great difference between you and I. Both you and I are subject pronouns here. This sentence is grammatically incorrect because I, in between you and I, is in subjective case. Both the pronouns must have been in objective case to be correct because of the preposition between. 7. Correct. B. There's a great difference between you and me. Both you and me are object pronouns here. This sentence is grammatically correct because the pronouns you and me are in objective case as required by the rule. 7. Incorrect, which is C. There's a great difference between you and me. You is a subject and me is an object pronoun here. This sentence is grammatically incorrect because we've assumed you in between you and me to be a subject pronoun. To be correct, both you and me must be in objective case because of the preposition between. 7. Incorrect, which is D. There's a great difference between you and I. You is an object and I is a subject pronoun.